Hi, my name's Armando Orduña, and I'm the Director of Outreach Programs for Children's Museum Houston. Today, we have a really fun math activity for you to try at home, and tasty as well. So make sure that you spend the next few minutes going on a fun and delicious math journey with me. But before we get started, I'd like to give credit to our funders, ConocoPhillips, for making all of this possible. All right, let's get started. First, we need some materials. Now, you could either use markers, crayons, but you'll definitely need Starbursts. Starbursts typically come in these colors: red, yellow, pink, and orange. So you'll want to make sure that if you use markers or if you use crayons, that the colors match the starburst. You'll need a piece of paper. Now, the paper doesn't need to be graph paper. You can take any paper and, using a ruler and a pencil, make 1-inch squares throughout. All right, you ready to get started? Let's do it. Okay, so now we're going to take the starbursts and match them with their color. Red, I have 1. Yellow, I have 1, 2, and 3. Pink, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my bar graph. By the way, did I tell you we were making a bar graph? A bar graph is a graphic way to look at measurement. So this bar graph tells me we have 1 red starburst, 3 yellow starbursts, 4 pink starbursts, and 4 orange starbursts. Now, it's a great way to record information, but I can't keep the starburst here on the paper forever. 1, because somebody could come by and knock them out, and 2, I plan on eating these. They're really, really yummy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the starburst back onto the graph, and you can either use markers or you can use crayons. It's up to you. And I'm going to take a crayon, and I'm going to remove the red, and I'm going to use a red crayon, and I am going to fill in that square with the color red, and that represents the red starburst. Then I'm going to take a yellow crayon, and I'm going to fill in the square with the yellow starburst. And I'll keep doing this with every single color and square. And so now I have a record of how many starbursts I picked up in my grab and how many I plan to eat today. You can see here on this example that I've done this before. I've had lots of practice. So what I recommend, taking Starburst or M&Ms or Skittles or any candy or delicious fruit snack that you would like, and trying this at home. Remember, bar graphs are a great way to visually show somebody how many different items you have and how many you're willing to share. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.